Hello everyone, this is Eric Towers with Towers Arms. This is week 6 of FTE 217. We're going to talk about AR component repair, fitment, and alterations. Before we start, I'll ensure my firearm is clear. There's no live ammunition present in the workspace. I've already removed the magazine. I lock the bolt to the rear. And I'm going to physically and visually inspect to make sure there's nothing in the chamber. And we are safe and clear. Field strip. I'll begin my field strip by removing the upper from the lower. Push in on the pivot pin and take down pin. Pull out the charging handle with the bolt. Now that we got it field stripped, I'll go ahead and finish taking down the bolt. Come on. Rotate, drop it out, pull it out. That's a quick field strip. So, it hasn't been shot since the last cleaning, so we'll go ahead and just put everything right back in. Line the cam pin up inside the bolt. Rotate, pull forward. We can drop our firing pin inside. Now we can put our fire pin retaining pin in. There we go. Part 2 is planned work and the benefits. One planned upgrade would be a good ACOG sight and a set of steel backup iron sights, or some type of red dot with the backup iron sights. Since we're in New York, I can't really do the other upgrade I want, which would be a better compensator. I'm not allowed to have threads in New York if you have a detachable magazine. I also plan to coat everything in Cerakote OD green and attempt to give a camouflage pattern. For part 3, we're talking about aftermarket trigger comparison. Obviously, I don't have any. So what I compared online was the Geisel SSA and the Timney AR competition and the CMC drop-in triggers. The lecture explains that aftermarket triggers improve feel and reduce creep, overall travel, and reset length. According to Geisel Automatics, the SSA-E offers a smooth 2-stage brake. The Timney AR competition provides a crisp single-stage. CMC's drop-in offers minimal take-up and fast reset. While these improve precision, extremely light pulls under 4 pounds may not be ideal for defensive rifles due to safety concerns. Part 4 is dimpling the barrel, which this barrel already came dimpled. This barrel already had dimples from factory. As explained in Kastner's lecture, dimpling ensures repeatable gas block alignment, preventing cycle malfunctions. If I were to do it, I would mark with layout die, center punch to prevent the bit walking, and then drill shallow enough for secure seating without penetrating the barrel wall. Part 5 is talking about a drop test. So we'll go ahead, make sure that we're still empty clear. Nothing physically or visually in the barrel, in the chamber. Put ourselves on safe. Part 5 is a drop test. I'll now perform a drop test taught in our course. Go ahead and make sure the hammer remains engaged and make sure it's not dropped or jostled, ensuring safe function after modifications, especially with new triggers. So what I'm going to take is a rubber mallet. I'm going to give it some love taps all around to simulate it falling. still safe. Go ahead and put it on fire. Go ahead and simulate drop tests. And let's see if the drop test was good. Yep. That concludes my submission. I demonstrated a proper field strip, discussed planned upgrades. I compared aftermarket triggers and explained barrel dimpling to performed a drop test. This is Eric Towers with Towers Arms. This was week 6 of FTE 217. Thank you all for watching.